Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Rozzy Grow. Today we're back up in the attic. I'm gonna show you guys my little progress and what I have done. Alright guys, so I got the mother of all antennas. So I got the 8-foot DX Engineering antenna from my old setup. I recovered it, I put it up. Now this is like an old school ham antenna. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll experiment. I'll connect it and I'll see if I can go to the moon with this one. But for right now, I got this bad Larry right here, and it's as high as I can get to the roof. But sooner or later, we're gonna go outdoors with this. We're just testing indoors for now until we can go out. But anyways, yeah, guys. So today, the topic of the video really is the 5G miner still not hitting the full internet speed. So these are Cat 6 cables. I don't know. I'm gonna see if this works, if it'll improve the speeds. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. We're running cables, switching all the cables. So the two cables on the 5G miner are gonna be like this, brand new. And then the one coming from the modem is gonna be brand new too, Cat 6, everything new, to see if this thing works. As you can see, guys, this is my old cable. I honestly don't even know what kind of cat it is. This is probably a Cat 4 for what I know. But I looked at it, I couldn't see no imprints where it says whatever series cable. But to get rid of the doubt, we got ourselves the new cable, and we're gonna see if that fixes the problem. Let me see. FT6, I don't know what any of this. But anyways, we got a replacement. And it looks kind of skinny, so it might not be a cat anything. Alright, so I found the hole, and now we're gonna fish it through all the way down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna disconnect this cable from the 5G miner. Boom! Party's over. No more communication. And I'm gonna replace it with this one. The black one. Let's go. And to answer somebody's question, which one's my favorite miner to run, right? I will have to say, I will have to be this one, the 5G, because it mines HNT and mobile. 2 cryptos in one machine.